Hello friends, welcome to our channel. As we all know, NEET results has been declared and counseling has also been started. And in this NEET counseling, we already know that 15% of the seats in an institutions are meant for all India quota and rest of the 85% are meant for state. So the 85% of seats meant for state quota shall follow the instructions of state government and respective authorities concerned. In this video, let us see about those 85% state quota seats and NEET counseling in Puducherry. Before going to it, please like the video, share it, and subscribe our channel to get more information. So if you go to the official website, so www.centacpuducherry.in is the official website for NEET counseling in Puducherry. So if you click on the official website link, so this is the main page of the website, and if you scroll down, so here you can get the link for UG NEET. So this is the dashboard for UG NEET. So if you click on this, so this is the page that gets opened. So here they have given news and events, information brochure, how to apply, merit list and allotment list. So if you click on information brochure, so here they have given two volumes or the two brochures. So first one is for UG non-NEET general information and UG professional courses which is based on NEET. So that is the second brochure. So if you click on the second one, so this is the PDF that gets opened. So this is the main page of the PDF. So here they have given Government of Puducherry common admission prospectus to UG professional courses which is based on NEET, and in the Union Territory of Puducherry for MBBS, BDS and BAMS. So this is the information brochure for the academic year 2021. So if we scroll down, so these are the contents which are meant for undergraduate professional courses, which is based on NEET, and for MBBS, BDS, and BAMS. So here they have given introduction, list of colleges, college-wise courses offered, and eligibility conditions and selection procedure, and seat matrix and information, which are important instructions, and then list of 1 is to 10 candidates, and then fee structure, and then saving clause. So if you scroll down, you can get all the information according to the contents. So this PDF contains almost 20 pages. So here this is the last page having mentioning about saving clause. So all the candidates are advised to go through this information brochure once or at least once before registering for NEET UG counseling in Puducherry. So after the registration process, so the candidate will get the registration ID, which is the email ID, and then password. So the candidate can log into their account here and then carry on their NEET counseling process. Guys, NEET UG counseling is very tough this year. So if you don't have enough knowledge about counseling and choice filling, so just WhatsApp on the given number and get idea about colleges and counseling. Thank you for watching our video, and if you have any doubts regarding this, you can drop your queries in the comment section and we will try to clarify it as soon as possible. Please do like the video and share it, and please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon given below to get the notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.